Before I start this lesson, something very interesting, right? You all know my father is planning to come, right? You all know he's very good at mathematics also, right? But yeah, exactly. But yesterday I got something from him and then I realized he's too good at Roman numbers. He's just too good at Roman numbers. And for me, this letter is a big mystery, right? I don't know what he has written here. Akash is going to read this letter for you. It's a top secret, right? You are not going to talk about this letter outside of this class. Yes, Akash, can you please come and read out the letter? Guys, I need your help to solve this mystery of letter today, please. Yes. Right? So listen it carefully. Fine, you said that's okay.
Dearest son, hope you are not troubling your students or anyone as you do at home. It's X11 to MMXV and I am on leave of X1V days from 1X to MMXV. I am coming to Pune on X11 to MMXV by the train whose number is MMCXXX11. I am bringing a textbook which contains
C bar
questions and you will have X days to solve. Must come to pick me at XX11 L1X. See you on X11 to MMVXV.
Fine, thank you, Akash. So this is something like my father always take my exam like this, right? He check whether I know maths or not. So our objective for the day is very simple. We have to solve this mystery, right? It means we have to decode this letter, right? So same way Roman do. They only know this thing, nothing else. In maths, they only know this symbol, right? And they call it as a 1. They call it as a 1. To write 2, they put 2 symbols. For writing 3 symbols. For writing 4 symbols. At starting for writing 5 symbols. When it comes to write 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 lines. When it comes to 50 lines. When it comes to 100 lines. Just imagine you are in a room at that time and you are writing an exam where you have to add 1 lakh plus 2 lakh. So they started giving some symbols, right? For 1 they are using this symbol as always. For 5 they use this symbol. For 10 they use this symbol. Then Sandhya, can you tell me what is the next? For 50 L. As in our international number of system, we have some rules. Can you write numbers anywhere? No. We have some rules.
Yes.
So they have some 4 to 5 set of rules. Just imagine how easy this language is, right? Rule 1 says, and these rules are important, right? If you will not able to understand these rules, you will not able to help me out with this letter. Rule 1 said, if a symbol is repeating 2 times, it means it is a plus. It is a plus. 3 times it is a plus. This rule also says you cannot use any symbol more than 3 times. You cannot use any symbol more than 3 times. Right? 4th rule is very simple, which you have to just keep in mind, right?
Like if you will write 2 times 5, then it will be it will become 10, and for table 10 there is a
awesome, right? Awesome response. Thank you so much, right? Now we'll quickly jump into this letter, right? Because as far as I know, he's coming very soon, right? Fine. So come to the letter. Hope you are not troubling your students or anyone as you do at home. It's XX, it's XII dash II dash MMXV. This is the first thing in the letter, right? And the first mystery which we have to solve. You have to answer one by one and you have to raise your hands. Yes, yes. 12. Very good. This is what? 12. And then Abid, 2. Divya? 2015. Fine. It's 12 to 2015. Right? It means he is wrong. My father is wrong. It's 6. It's what is the date today? 6. It's 6 and he's saying it's 12. It means here I found first mistake of my father, right? Today I'm going to call him. Right? Fine, let's do here one by one. This M represents? This M represents? This C represents? This C represents? This X represents? This X represents? This X represents? Quickly add and tell me the answer. Yes, yes. Be louder. 2232. Is this the train number? Fine. This is very important information. I have to write it here. Guys, let me read this again, right? Hope you are not troubling your students or anyone in Pune as you do at home. One more thing. For our practice, it's a small sheet which contains 10 numbers. Right? Which contains 10 numbers, and then there is one more crossword puzzle which is a homework for you. Which is a homework for you. Fine. For this one, C is for? L is for? X is for? X is for? And 3 eyes means 3, right? Quickly add and tell.
173.
How many of you are correct? Come to the topic again, right? So let's figure out one thing and try to analyze. We know how to decode now Roman into Arabic numerals, but let's try to understand if Roman numbers were already there, why we invented something like these 1, 4 and all. Right? Think for at least 10 seconds. I really want few good answers. So take your time, think, and 5 students have to answer, and कोई भी 5 हो सकता है. Roman numbers were already there. Then why we invented these 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers? So why do we need, right? Yes, Abid.
To do job easy means when we will multiply it will come again बहुत बड़ा आ जाएगा या फिर वो गलत हो जाएगा, इसके लिए फिर easy करने के लिए सब बनाएंगे.
Awesome.
For children and all others, we have to know that is why we change it.
That is why we changed it. Fine.
In this system we have to plus the numbers, but in the international or Indian system we just have to write the 54 or that.
Awesome.
To simplify our work and it will take more time, and if you will write one, it will take less time. That Roman number.
Awesome. Perfect answer.
Yeah, when we want to write some more larger numbers, we need to take Roman numbers, then find which number is
Exactly, right? It's we Indians who invented zero, and from that day itself we started getting 0 marks in the exam. But still we are heroes, right? If you know Roman numbers more than me, it shows you are too old, right? I am younger than you.
आप तो gold नहीं बोलते क्योंकि old is gold.
Who said old is gold?